long. Trust me, we got this. Welcome to episode 4 of Vision Kitchen Chronicles. What's cooking? My name is Chef Ange, and today we're going to be doing mini pineapple upside down cakes. Did everybody hear that? That's right. So excited. I cannot wait to dive into this one. We'll be right back.
Before we get started, let's go over some rules for successful cooking. Number 7, wash produce. Always wash your fruits and your vegetables. Number 8, remember hand washing. You always want to start with clean hands. Number 9, electric safe. When you're using electronics in the kitchen, reduce the risk of electric shock by keeping any electric kitchen tools and small appliances away from the water.
Today, mini pineapple upside down cakes. Listen, everything mini is fabulous for me, right? But today I'm going to show you how to make these mini pineapple upside down cakes from scratch. Y'all know how I feel about scratch. Everything scratch made. Fresh is always best. So these babies take about 10 minutes to prep and then 20 to 25 minutes in the oven at 350 degrees. And then it's about 10 minutes to cool before you take them out of the muffin pan. Let's dive right into it. First, we're going to do 1/4 cup of melted butter, 2/3 cups of sugar. I'm going to take my mixing spoon and blend this up really good together here. Get that mixture going. This is for our topping. The top of our pineapple upside down. We're going to go ahead and spray our muffin pan with a little bit of cooking spray. So you're going to take your mixture and you're going to put about a teaspoon or tablespoon, of the topping right at the bottom of the muffin pan. You're going to take your pineapple slices and put them at the bottom of the pan as well. Just slide them in. They don't have to be perfectly even at the bottom. And then we're going to put our cherries one by one. Just drop them in the middle of the pineapple circle. So like so. You have that there. So now we're going to put this to the side. Alright, so we're going to move on to the cake mix part of our pineapple upside downs. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour 2/3 cups of sugar, and we're going to take 2 large eggs along with our 4 tablespoons of pineapple juice. And we're just going to mix this up really good. After we blended the sugar and eggs and pineapple juice together, now we're going to pour in our 2/3 cups of flour. And then we're going to take 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And again, we're going to blend it all up together and make them. So the batter is blended up nice and well there. So in order not to make a huge mess here, I'm just going to go ahead and pour my batter into my measuring cup that has a little spout on the end. So that way when I pour my cake batter mixture into the muffin pan, I won't make such a big mess. So we want to pour our mixture into each muffin cup probably about a halfway up. We don't want it to be too hot because we don't want it to overspill while it's in the oven. So we're gonna go ahead and put these in the oven, 350 degrees, about 20 to 25 minutes. And then once we pull them from the oven, we're gonna let them cool for about 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes. Let them cool down so that way it won't be stuck to the pan. We can pour it right out onto a nice plate, and then we'll be able to dive in for that great taste. I'm telling you. We are back. The mini pineapple upside downs have cooled and we are ready to remove them from the pan. So let's get right to it. And you want to do this slowly and gently just so everything doesn't fly all over the place. Just turn it over. Just let them smooth themselves out. Look at those minis. Oh my goodness. They're beautiful, you guys. Nice, warm, and I can just smell the flavor. Oh my God, I cannot wait to eat these. Now, just a side note, I put a little extra batter in mine. Make sure you just put the correct amount of batter into your muffin pans, which is halfway. With me, you know, I like a little bit extra cake batter in mine. Look at those beauties, you guys. Kids are gonna love it. You're gonna love it. Everybody's gonna love it. I'm telling you, it's gonna be a hit. You can make these at your next dinner party at home, I promise. Okay, we're ready to dive right on in. No worries, you guys. This right here, it's your family favorite. I'm telling you. Everybody in the family, your friends, your neighbors, people down the street, they're gonna love this. I'm telling you, put it on your family cooking menu. Thanks for watching Vision Kitchen Chronicles. I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And be sure to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram, Vision Enterprises Unlimited. Bye-bye.